Hi, let's discuss about partnership aspects of EduXGateway. So, in the universities or colleges, you can add a new university. Anything in the global is already provided by the EduXGateway, so EduXGateway is responsible to manage the data. But if you want your one universities to be listed which are not already in the system, you can very well do so by filling this new university form and completing these details, and you will be able to add the university. Any university that you will add can only be added at an account level scope or an entity level scope, so it can remain only within your own entity or within your group companies, and they will not be visible to other accounts or a wider audience. Whereas the global ones are visible to everyone, and these global ones are provided by EduXGateway. Just like the universities, you can also add courses. Again, the global courses are provided by EduXGateway, but you can add and list your own courses at your account or an entity level. The process is very simple. Fill this form and you will be able to add a course for your requirement. And it includes all those things like currency, course language, everything. You can go through the form over here. You can also set your priorities up, how much you prioritize sending students to this particular course. Once you have added a course, then you can definitely go and view the course detail, add information in other parts of the notes, scholarship information, etc., or view those if it is a global course. Similarly, you can also add course pricing. The pricing again for the global is provided by EduXGateway, but if you like to add your own pricing, you can fill it through the pricing form. It might be the case that your pricing is very different to the global pricing, so in which case you can again put forward the prices. The prices for courses in various colleges and universities can differ from a lot of factors. It could differ by nationalities, it could differ by the location of the person. So you have now ability to select if this is a global price applicable to everyone, or this is applicable to a particular region like a Southeast Asia, Africa, or South Asia, or it is at a national level applicable to certain nationalities only. Let's say, for example, there is a special price for Filipinos, so you can pick national and Philippines. Similarly, it could be an onshore price or in-country price, and it could be an offshore price, and which you can always pick. If it's the same price for no matter the location, then it's for all. If it is a specific price for an onshore and offshore, then you can always select the location. So this is price for a Filipinos, but when they are in Australia. Similarly, the fee items could have a lot more complications. So there might be an application fee, an enrollment fee, an additional enrollment fee, material fee for certain courses like cookery, and so other vocational courses. There could be tuition fees. Some colleges would like to call it admission fee, a separate fee other than the enrollment fee. Placement related things for certain courses like nursing. There could be some, also you can get a discount like college discount, scholarships. You can record all the scholarship here, and incentives. Similarly, the initial deposits that you need to provide to them. Also, there could be some of the fees relating to the agency, which you can also record here if you would like to add those information to the price. So the total, when we add all these fee items, that will give the total price for a course. So that's about course pricing. For all the global, we provide the pricing, so there's no need to worry, because there might be so many components for a particular college. You can also upload it. So there is an Excel template file. You can fill the Excel file and simply upload the pricing. Then these are admission rules which will be used to screen the applicants coming from particular location, particular nationality. So you can, the global rules are provided by EduXGateway, but you can also create your own rules. If the college representatives have informed you that certain students will be taken, certain students will not be taken, these ones will mirror the attributes which we fill in the client so that they can be matched. It could be nationality based, it could be based on age, it could be academic related, it could be English related, it could be financial related, what level of scrutiny they want to do. It could be related to their changes, like which course they are wanting to study, from what kind of previous course, are they in making progression, are they not making progression. It could be information relating to immigration, like they have the history of previous visa rejection, etc., and certain medical conditions and those needing special requirements as well. So the colleges use some of these categories and a corresponding attribute to make decisions on their program. So age could have just an age, and then you will have a maximum value, minimum value, and you fill and you can make the rules based on them. But at the same time, is this rule applicable to all the countries? Is this rule applicable to all the locations? Or this rule is applicable when they are in a specific location, like they are in country in Canada, in country in Australia, we call it onshore as well. And you can make rules. These rules can get very complicated very fast. So there is also going to be we will also be providing very soon ability to import the rules as well, just like the price. Now in this tab about partnerships, this is where you define your partnerships with a particular college. Do you have a direct partnership? Do you have a direct partnership? Do you have a partnership through a global agency like EduXGateway, or do you have it through a B2B partner of your choice? So it does not need to be EduXGateway, it could be any other B2B provider as well. And then commissions again. So here you can again add information about your commission based on your agreement. If it is a global course, and if it is a global college and which is managed by EduXGateway, and we are managing all the applications, then you don't need to bother about adding this information. But if you want to have your direct agreement and you want to add information over there, you can put your remunerations. Again, this could be a simple flat agreement, but it could be a very complicated agreement, like for students of this nationality we will pay this much, for the students of that nationality we will pay another value, for when the students are in country we will pay a different value, and it could get much more complicated as well. So remunerations could be a commissions, it could be a fixed rate, or it could be a target based. So if it is a commission, then it could be a percentage or it could be a flat fee. Similarly, you can walk through the parameters and figure out what is the suitable one. Also the currency for which you will be remunerated, it's usually the college's currency, but there could be some alternate arrangement there as well. And in addition to those complications, some colleges also have a policy to compensate based on different campus. If they have a new campus, then they might be giving more incentives for those new campus to fill them up. So it could be a completely different measure for that. Also certain courses like high demand courses, the colleges are reluctant to pay high commissions, and hence they might be paying lower commissions for the high demand courses like nursing, where they could pay lower commissions compared to courses like business, where they are going to pay a higher commissions. Again, it could be applicable to a particular nationality or a group of nationalities, and also what components. It could be on application fees, sometimes tuition fee, for sure, that's where the commission is paid. But some colleges pay commissions also on application fee, others don't. Sometimes the college exclude commissions on material fee, so it might be different arrangement for different colleges. Again, when can you claim? So can you claim for only the first year? Can you claim for the full durations? And at which frequency you can claim? So is it like you can claim in the second term, you can claim in the first term, and these are again the frequencies at which you will be able to claim. Also the colleges may have claim expiry, so if you don't claim within like 2 years or 12 months of being eligible to claim the commission, then the commissions might expire and you could also manage those from here. Similarly, the start date and end date of this commission rules, because commissions change over time. So if the end date will give you an opportunity to review it, and then you can make a new rule or inactivate these rules, and these commissions rules will help you calculate commissions effectively. Another topic to cover is now partnership issues. Partnership issues are all kinds of problems that you get between yourself and a main agent, where you are inquiring about what happened to my client's applications, where you might be having problem with your college as well. They're not processing it on time, they're not paying commissions, and anything relating to partners, all those matters that arise, you record them under partner issues. Last but not the least are the knowledge base. Knowledge base are like guides, documents that you can create and you can make them available to your team. Any of the global knowledge bases we will make you available, like college admission guides, also enrollment and visa guides for destinations. We are going to publish those documents. Any other documents that you want to publish yourself, you can feel free to publish. It has every information that you need to track them, to control the versions, and for your ISO. So that's pretty much it about partnerships. In a very simplest form, you don't need to do much about partnership. All the global courses, prices, rules, everything is listed by EduXGateway anyway, and if you are using that and if you are applying to EduXGateway, then you don't need to worry about maintaining any information over here. However, if you also want to record your direct partnerships and other things, then definitely there are all the tools available for you to utilize and manage your partnership complexities. I'll see you in the next video to talk about marketing.